How to play Bingo Blitz in Facebook. If you want to play the game by connecting your Facebook account on it and don't know how to do it, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz app just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now to connect with Facebook, here you can find the Facebook icon right here. Now tap on it, and if you don't find it, tap onto three lines right here. Then scroll down and here you can find connect and log out. Now tap on it. Then here you can find Facebook right here. Now select it. Then tap on to continue. And tap on to continue as. Now tap on it. And now you can see your Facebook account is now connected. Now simply play the Bingo Blitz in the Facebook just like this. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.